Hello, hi, welcome to the class. Today I am going to explain recruitment. So, let us discuss the meaning of recruitment. Recruitment may be defined as the process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in an organization is called as a recruitment. So recruitment, it is very essential to fulfill the position in organization as selecting a prospective candidate through the selection process. Before that, we may be conduct the recruitment. So, recruitment involved some of the activities. Number one, identification of sources of labor supply. Identification of sources of labor supply. Which are the sources available in a market for hiring the and recruiting the laborers. And next one, assessing their validity. Assessing the validity of the employees. Choosing the most suitable sources. So, we have plenty of the sources for picking the candidate in a market, but which is suitable for our organization. It is also consist recruitment activities. And next one, inviting applications from prospective candidates, stimulating them to apply the jobs in the organization. So it consists inviting the applications from prospective candidates. So recruitment is regarded as a positive process as it invites a large number of candidates towards the organization. So now discuss the sources of recruitment. Sources of recruitment into classified two types: internal sources, external sources. Internal sources is nothing but we may be fulfilling the position from existing employees in an organization. So this is the internal sources of recruitment, whether giving promotion and transfer of employees within the organization. This is the examples of the internal sources of the recruitment. So, internal sources of recruitment consist two factors. One is a promotion, another one is a transfer. So, this is good internal sources of recruitment, giving opportunities to the existing employees, whether transferring one department to another department or upgrading the employee status, salaries, authority, responsibility, one position to another position. So this is the internal sources of recruitment consisting factors. Now let me discuss the number one under internal sources, promotion. So promotion implies upgrading of an employee's a higher position, carry higher status, higher salaries, higher responsibilities. It is vertical movement of the employees within the organization and require more knowledge, experience and skills to perform the job. Promotion consists we are upgrading the employee profile one position to another position with the higher responsibility, with the higher status, with the higher salary. So it is a promotion. And next one, transfer. Transfer means literally momentum employees in the same grade from one job to another without any change in status, responsibilities, salaries. At the time of transfer, it is ensured that the employees to be transferred to the new job is capable of performing it. So in a transfer, there is no higher status, there is no higher salary, there is no higher position. But transfer one job to another job or one department to another department, it is helps to they are gaining a more specification, performing a functions in a organization. It is consist transfer. So these two factors consist under the internal sources. One is promotion, another one is transfer. So now let us discuss the merits of internal sources. So internal sources consist some of the merits. Number one, employees motivation. Simple process. Facilitate training. No indicate in this training, filling deficiency, inexpensive. Number one is employees motivation. So promotions to higher level motivate the employees for better performance and leads to satisfaction of the employees. So this is the merits of the internal sources. Second one, simple process. Because we are not checking the background of the employees because he is a existing employees. That is why it is a simple process. And next one, facilitate training. So employees transfer from one job to another facility, training of employees. Just give the training to the employees. And next one, no index training because he is a existing employees of respected organization. So that's why not need to giving a induction training to the internal sources of the recruitment. And next one, filling deficiency. So employees selected from within the organization do not need or with the surplus of another. It helps to fulfill the deficiency of one department with the surplus of the another. And last one, inexpensive. By and large, recruitment from internal sources do not acquire much time or expenses. That's why it is an inexpensive. So these are all the merits of the internal sources. So now let us discuss the limitations of internal sources. Number one, no fresh talent. So recruitment from internal sources. So to bring the fresh talent into the organization. So here there is no new candidate. That's why they are saying we are not hunting or picking the fresh talented. It is a limitations or disadvantages of the internal sources of recruitment. Lactic employees. So when employees are sure of the time-bound promotion, they become a lethargic. And next one, no competitive spirit. Here there is no competitive spirit because among the employees were promoting and transferring under the internal sources of the recruitment and reducing productivity. So if we are giving a promotion or transfer to existing employees, the same skills or competency to consist existing employees after getting the promotion, he may not be able to increasing the productivity. So it is also another limitations of the internal sources of recruitment. And next, last one, not available to new experience. A new experience cannot lie the benefit of the sources because already he was working in this organization. So he only promoting and transferring one department to another department. That's why. So we are not expecting the more expansion of the enterprise activities. So these are all the classification of the sources of recruitment, internal sources and external sources. Under internal sources, promotion and transfer. So, thank you.